Okay, Mr. Long here. Today we're going to do the H in space to test the strength of the extraocular muscles, and then we are going to look for INO pathway or damage in that pathway. So go ahead and look at my finger. We're looking for tracking of the eyes. Okay. He then demonstrated that there was a problem in the pathway on the left INO because the medial recti on the left wouldn't adduct, and so he had to turn his head to keep focus. We are then going to continue with the test. And he's using his right superior rectus and left inferior oblique to track up and to the right. Now he's using his left inferior rectus and right superior oblique to track down into the left. That's testing the right cerebral hemisphere. We're going to do the same on the opposite direction. This is up and to the left, so he's using his left superior rectus and right inferior oblique. We're going down into the right, so we're testing his right inferior rectus and his left superior oblique. When we stop in the middle, we're looking for him to overshoot and undershoot. If he overshoots, that indicates that there's a problem in the cerebellum. He overshot and he comes back. If he undershoots, there's a problem in the right frontal cortex, or in the frontal cortex, not the right frontal cortex, indicating that he didn't get to the target, so he stopped short of the target and then continued to track.
Now test each side independently for INO, and then talk about the ascending node.
Okay, you want to pause it? Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to have the patient cover one of their eyes, and I'm testing to see if the eye will AD and AB duct on its own. His left eye does. Go ahead and cover your other eye.
And then just explain what that means with the INO.
So both eyes can AD and AB duct on their own, so you know that the medial recti and the lateral recti pathways are intact. What we're testing for then would be the INO pathway, which comes from cranial nerve number 6 up to the contralateral cranial nerve number 3 to drive the eyes in either left or right. Since he tracked his head to the right, we're looking at a left INO MLF pathway damage. So he's unable to pull his left eye immediately or AD duct his eye, so he has to turn his whole head to keep focus.